Howdy you guys, this is App Reviews 4545 here again with our app review. This is the virtual Zippo Lighter by Skyrocket. It's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's not a real lighter, but you can choose different ones and buy different ones from iTunes or something. Nope. Let's go here. Zippo Lighter. And then we can just pop them back. Yep, browse lighters. These are all the ones you can buy. I haven't bought any yet. I mean, to rewind my lighters. There are free ones. Let's see here, let's go. This one, I'll use this one. Then you could open it up. Let me turn on my sound here. Oh, wrong way. And then pretty much it's a lighter. It's actually pretty cool. Like, you can tilt it that way, the flame follows. Then if you tilt it back, I don't know if you can hear that, but it vibrates. As it explode, I wish it did. It'd be pretty cool, I think, but that's okay. Still a pretty cool app. So, I mean, this app's been out a while, so I have used it before I even got my iPhone, but I think it's a nice little app to have, you know, for like if you're at the stadium or some sort of game where everyone pulls out their cell phones. You can pull out your cell phone and be like, yeah, I got a lighter. So you can go old school. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please visit my channel and please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more.